Tradition, I will now would like to welcome the Slovenian youth representative, and he will now deliver part of the statement on behalf of the Slovenian youth.
Madam Chair, distinguished delegates, dear colleagues. When I started my mandate back in April, I took another closer look to all Sustainable Development Goals. And one really stood out. SDG number 8, decent work and economic growth. It carries a powerful message to promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work for all. Very commendable and necessary goal. But now we need to urgently proceed to swift and effective implementation in order to achieve it. It will not be easy, but we, today's youth, we deserve and we need a fair opportunity in this world. When we are addressing youth unemployment as a problem in Europe or in Slovenia, we need to take a deeper look on all aspects of this challenge. Actual unemployment is just a part of this problem. Even majority of young people who are employed do not have the opportunity to be in a safe and stable employments and are facing only part-time jobs, unstable contracts, which force them to live from month to month, from project to project, not having any brighter perspective or creating stable home environment or even receiving a pension. I think it's necessary to remind the decision makers that youth is not just a future, that we are already a present. Decision makers constantly talk about the value of youth and youth empowerment, but rarely translate the talks into actions. We don't demand much, but we do want opportunity to show our skills, knowledge, talent, and wisdom. Young people should become driving factors, not just facts and figures in different analyses and reports. Historically, we have already proven that we are capable to take responsibility, be agents of change, and make the world a better place for all. Almost half of the world population is under 30, and despite different realities and challenges we face globally, I think we all have one universal need. We need and we deserve an opportunity. Thank you very much for your attention.